If you are tired of feeling overwhelmed by social media, trying to keep up with all the things you're supposed to do and then seeing little to no results, or maybe you've just looked at it and gone, I just don't have time for that, I want to introduce you to the life of the Streamlined Entrepreneur. These are people who have gotten past the tipping point where they do little things on social media very well and get big results. Like Tom Love, who put a post on his Facebook business page and spent $10 to boost it and booked $3,000 worth of new business. Or Michelle Taylor, who actually posted in somebody else's Facebook group, so it was a free post, and turned into developing $17,000 in new revenue from one post. Now, I've never had a $17,000 post, but obviously there are lots of levels of success before that, and I want to show you what's possible when you get rid of the clutter and you figure out how to streamline for reach in revenue. And that's what this 5-day challenge is all about. I promise to make it worth your while. This challenge is built for people that are tired of just posting and hoping that something's going to work and instead want to be strategic and streamline their reach and revenue. I'm on a mission to simplify social media for the entire world. Anybody who's willing to listen, I'm here for you, and that's why I'm putting this challenge on for free. Click the link, get signed up now, and I'll see you inside our challenge starting January 18th.